Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 16. Today we're starting out at Cars and Coffee. So for those of you that don't know, today is my birthday. July 28th, 2018. So if you guys wouldn't mind giving me any birthday wishes, that'd be greatly appreciated, just saying. And yeah, today's my birthday. This video will be going up on July 29th, so I can have time to edit and have time for my birthday. But other than that, we got a lot of nice cars here today. This is a big show. I can already see a Demon and a bunch of really nice cars here. First, you got the Corvette lineup over here. Like a 3rd gen Corvette over there. But man, today looks really nice. Today looks like a really good day to get out here and oh, there's a Mulsanne, I think. There's a Bentley. There's a Grand Sport Corvette right there. You don't see too many of those. Those are actually really, their exhaust is really nice. Really nice exhaust. But got the Carrion over there. I don't know if this is a Mulsanne, but it's definitely the Bentley. I don't know. Oh, look at this. I think it's like 22-inch wheels or 23-inch wheels. Look at those. Those are insane. Jeez. I mean, I like it, but it's a bit extravagant and like flashy. Whatever. It's still pretty nice. Got an old SS. There's a lot of old cars here today. Z28, that's pretty cool. GSX, an old Ford, another old Ford. Yeah, I'm trying to look out for anything. Oh, there's a 911R. That's pretty legit. There's a 458 over there. It's pretty cool. Got a Cayman right there. Man, that thing is really cool. 911R. That's pretty insane. I did. Man. 911R. That's pretty legit. That's pretty legit. But, man, we got the, this is ZL1. It's a ZL1. It has the wing too. There's a Aston Martin. I think that's a DBS or DB9 or 8. It's pretty insane. I like it. I like it. Especially like right here. The sunlight looks really nice. Man. I think it's a Vanquish back there. There's 2 Aston Martins right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What is it? It's a DB9. Told you. DB9. That's pretty legit. Oh, there's a California back here. California T convertible. It's a GT2, I think. There's so many freaking nice cars here today. I really like the color, color combo. The 350, yeah, 350. That's more than, I think it's a Vanquish. SS 396. 06 or oh, it's a 01. You could tell by the look at the the engine. You put that in there so that it would look like one of the modern day Italian supercars, because they all have like the engine bay and you can see all that kind of stuff. So Chevy tried to interpret that, and they said, you know what, why don't we do that? So they put it in there, and it was kind of a flop, but whatever. It's still pretty cool. Z28, RT Challenger, or Shaken. Yep, and it's slammed. I mean, it's not really, yeah, it's pretty, it's not slam, but it's not high off the ground either. Alright, this is the, I've seen this one a couple of times. This is nice. It has a new exhaust and a new diffuser. Last time I saw it, there's a new 2017 GTR over there. I'm gonna check out that in a second. Looks like an old Nova. I know the car pretty well. Look at that. This just looks so beautiful over there. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it. You have the pop-up headlights that even has it on the C2. Man, the 350. I mean, like in this kind of color combo, like you can see the glitter effect. Maybe you might be able to. I can see it pretty well, but it's a really nice color. Anyways, I didn't go check out that freaking GTR, the 2017. That's the second one, because my friend has one. I don't think he brought his. He hasn't been coming recently. But Yeah, he brought his a couple of months ago, actually. I'm gonna say the last time he came, of my knowing at least. Old Alfa Romeo right there. I don't even know what that is. Man, it's pretty nice. It just looks so nice. I love it. Yeah, that thing's really, really nice. I love it. It's a huge crowd over there. I wonder what's over there. But yeah, I think this might not, ooh, it's actually look at the color. I think this might be, what's his name? The guy that has the R8 and the other cars. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's definitely color changing, and I love it. I absolutely love it.
Garage space is my real limiter.
That's really nice. You can kind of see the color change from here. I don't know if y'all can, but oh, it has like a titanium exhaust tips. Litty. Absolutely litty. Man, I got another 458 over here. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I think I need to see another freaking. I've only seen one other 2017 GT in total. That's a nice. I think that's a Ferraris. STI, CTS. I don't know if it's the V because it doesn't have the wing. You can tell. I don't think it has the wing back there. Should have a wing if it's a 200 mile an hour one. Look at the Quattro RS3, the new one, the 2019 or 2018. I don't know which, but it's extremely nice. I love that. That's really nice. SRT. Oh, there's a GT 500, or is that a 500? If this is the right model year, the 2011, I believe, had a 667 or 57 horsepower and like 600 pound-feet of torque. Extremely fast, obviously. I mean, 600 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, American muscle. What more do you need? To be honest, but like, I think this is the third 58 we have so far. Man, oh, we got two pump cars right here. These are pretty nice. That's pretty legit. Oh, old 911. These things are pretty nice. It just says, oh, it's a 911T. Nice. That's a decent Cobra kit. I've not seen that many decent ones. That's one of the very few. If you couldn't tell already, I'm not exactly a big boy fan of them. Of Shelby Cobra kits whatsoever. It's a PDQ GT3. PDQ is the transmission. El Camino we're leaving right now. Oh, really? On second row. How much more can there be today? You never know. Pretty legit. We got the MG, is that over there? And oh, Austin Healey's. We got Austin Healey's today. That's pretty legit. Oh, we got a bar. Oh, that's the Fiat one. I saw Doug Demir's video on it. It's basically a freaking. It's basically a Fiat. Well, it is a Fiat, obviously, but it's basically a Miata, or it shares the same platform as the Miata. I forget, but it's supposed to copy their car. It's not much better, but it's like way more expensive. It's kind of like the Aston Martin, the one that was of the Toyota, the really mini one. When the Miata's going off. So yeah, we got the really nice racing Lamborghini. This one's really nice. It's really nice. I like that. Oh, I think that's even just the GT. I don't even know if it's a Shelby GT. That's pretty legit. It's a Hellcat right there. That's pretty cool. We got a RS7 right there. RS7, 2016 RS7. That's pretty cool. What is this? Jensen Healey. I know a lot of Healey. There's a lot of Healeys. Like there's Austin Healey. There's Jameson Healey. There's like two other Healeys. But yeah, and then we have a Demon. I believe this is the same one, but it has more decals than last time I've seen it. Really girthy tires. When I mean girthy, she's girthy. There's a 4GT back there. Lady, I'll go check out that in a second. I'll just finish the freaking rows. That's slammed, my dude. Legit. Oh, is it mini? I'm taller than this, and I'm really short. Oh, look, there's a RS. What RS? I think it's a new RS4 or 5. I think a 2018 or 17. Man, there's a Lotus Evora 400 back there. That's pretty legit. Look at that, Evora 400. I've not seen one that color yet to this day. There's a Julia or Julia, however you want to pronounce it, over there too. I remember, I think a guy took a couple tracks with that car, and the car alarm's still going off. Jeez. Oh, there it goes. Right on my way. Oh yeah, there's that looks like a Caterham, but it's a Birkin, because on my game I have a rear-wheel drive version like this, and it weighs 1,300 pounds, 775 horsepower, and it's absolutely insane. And it can't even, it's a 2-speed. I had to make it a 2-speed, and it still can't handle the power of the car because it's that insane. I think it has like 300mm tires on it too. Well, at least I put it on. It's a 458s so far. That's a really nice color on that. I really like that. That's actually really legit. At this Ram Toyota truck with bicycles in the back. That's not something you see. I think it's the E92 M3 back there. That's sweet. That's very sweet. Got a Cobra. This is definitely dragged, and not tracked. This is definitely dragged. Welcome to Slick Heaven, my ladies. Slick Heaven. I've seen probably 5 cars with slicks in the past times I've been here. And that's legit too. It's a Coyote. Yeah, it has a Coyote symbol on it. Liddy. Coyote V8. That's what I'm talking about. These rims are really heavy. That's all I know, because I don't use them in my game at all. Is he cleaning it? What? Oh my god. But this is for all you OG followers and subscribers. You would know this is the father and son post that I made a couple of months ago, actually. I think it was like 2 months ago. I don't quite remember, but it wasn't that long ago, but not too. It wasn't more than 2 months ago, but I don't know. The GSX, I don't know. I gotta get out of the street. I really like that Mustang. Like the where it comes over in the back. Is this the 50th anniversary? Because it has the things on the side, or is it a special? Is it a California? Oh no, it is 50 year. As you do. I think there's a 339 or something of the sort. It's quite loud, actually, but I like it. Yeah, a Datsun 240Z, I believe. Look at the rear end. I think it's 240. Yep, 240. And back here, got a 9. I don't even know if that's a 911. I think that's a But like this, the Model 3. I don't know how I feel about the Model 3. It's not even light. I don't even know if I could say light. There's 2 of the Alfa Romeos, I've only seen one of these, and that was in a Napa, Good Amigo, and yeah, let's just say it wasn't really well maintained, but it was still the old Alfa Romeo that it was. Kind of like that. It was a red one like the other one, but it was a convertible. It had like it was a soft top convertible. Man, that's 2018 look. I just love it. I absolutely love it. I just love it so much. Here's Julia, whatever you want to call it. I think this is the turbo edition. Yeah, he tracks it. Told you. I know my stuff. He tracks it. Yeah, for all you guys that were wondering, if you're still watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate it if you guys watched my whole videos. But the reason I haven't been posting at all, and I'm going to get back to it, this video will actually be coming up on July 29th. So look out for this. If you guys have got this far, I really appreciate that. And the reason I haven't been posting is I've been taking a lot of trips outside of my state. The places for basketball and all that kind of stuff. And so basically I haven't really had time to do videos. And also my phone completely broke, just shut off and didn't come back on. So yeah, that happened. So I didn't have a phone for around a month and a half. So all my old videos got corrupted because they were on that phone, almost done. I've been editing, and then that happens. I think it's a G. Forget what else it calls. It's not a GLE, but forget. But anyways, it's a nice rear bumper. It's just pretty nice. I like the Evora look. It's a decent looking car here. Like the interior's cheap, and like it's not well made. It's light, whatever. It's like a special type of person would get that kind of car. It's some very nice crackle from her. I think it's a Datsun back there, or it's a 510. Yeah, Datsun 510. That's a nice 510. Yeah, it's a 510. Right on my stuff. Right on my stuff. Man. But yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream now, I think, on my Instagram. I think I'm gonna do that now. I have to put a picture up of my Instagram right now. But look at the girth of these rear tires. Do you see that? Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's some pretty nice girth. Pretty girthy tires. But I'm gonna get to live stream and
Holla